Okay, let us start our number one question. For number one question, we'll have to know about the very simple equation: speed equal to determined time, and velocity equal to displacement by time. As we know, the speed is a scalar, and velocity is a vector. So for this question, we'll have to know about all these speeds. So we'll have to use the distance and the distance only. So let's read it. A swimmer crosses a 23-meter wide river by swimming perpendicular to the water current. Okay, let's draw the pictures for the illustration. This is just a river. So this river width is 23 meter, and the water current is flowing east. So this is just a water flow. This one is moving to the east at a speed of 1.1 meter. So the speed this one is 1.1 meter per second is for the swimmer. The swimmer is moving with the 1.1. The speed is 1.1 meter per second. So he reached the opposite side at a distance 46 meter downstream south from his starting points. So if he is starting here, he will have to the south. The definitely is southeast position. So he will have it to here because this distance is 46 meter. He's swimming across the river, and the river, the water is flowing. If the water is not flowing and if it's stable, he if we pass out the river, and the direction will be like this. Here linearly, the direction will be linearly, but in this question the water is not stable. The water is moving. How much is the water is moving to the east? That's why his passing direction is like this. He is swimming, but when he reached to the opposite side, his distance will be the from the ground is 46 meter. Okay, the question is like this. So first we have to focus on the question's understanding. So how long does it take? How long? The question is asking for the how long for the swimmer to reach to the other side. So there, let me write. This is the first question is A. So they're asking for the time. The time. So the as I mentioned before, the equation is very simple. Here, speed equal to. Let me write down the speed is S equal to distance by time. Okay, distance. The time is for the noun. It is for the swimmer. That's why the distance is the swimmer passed to the distance is 23 meter. That's why we have to write 23 meter, and the time is we want to know is t, and then the speed is 1.1. That's why t, when we find the t, we'll have to divide 23 divided by 1.1. The question is the answer is 20.91 seconds. This is the first question. Okay, let me move to the number B. What is the speed of the water with respect to the ground? They're asking for the speed. Let me write the speed. The water, let me write the W question mark. This is speed, not the speed of the swimmer. This is speed of the water with respect to the ground. Now we are focusing on the ground. The flow is moving, the water flow. So as I mentioned before, if the water is not flowing, if it is stable, this person can pass through the linearly like this. Now the water is flowing, so that's why they are asking for the flow of the water speed. So the equation is simple. S equal to this time by time. This time, the distance is with respect to the ground we need to use. So the distance is 46 meter, and the time is the same. He passed through. How much is it? The duration of the time is the same. The 20.191 meter per second. So 46 divided by 20.91 is 2.199 meter per second. Okay, this is the first question.